Well, movie night at Norm's Garage and Community Center.
Time it couldn't be any better.
Really?
Really? Billy Fender?
Yep, piston out.
Captain Billy Fender?
It's really nice. Where's my lead light? Right here.
Kind of shit house Roddy always wants to have put it up.
I don't pay people for taking baths. I said to him,
You can see it, you can still see the horn in
me
it.
a little Chinese girls I love.
Motor's still brand new. So with the bad injector.
Oh, he's way overdue.
Yeah, really frog on his ass and hot with all your girls.
Piece of parts.
I got a proposition for you.
You know?
Oh, here's
I'll pay
piston.
you to go find him and bring those girls back to me.
Junk. Junk. Brand new, but junk. So, I'm gonna see about getting a new one tomorrow. And get it back in.
I got some new gals I can turn.
And I'm gonna call this dealership. I got a buddy that works there. Give my $50 worth of clips. Thanks, Piston on Jack Scrap, for letting me know.
She's still around.
Hopefully get it in. It's gonna be nice and warm this weekend.
I kind of had my mind set on Nola for some time now.
Need Cummins.
What?
Need Cummins.
Yes. You know of a Cummins close by. Let him know. Oh yeah, it's not brand new as the injector pump. Must be when the something happened when the push rod fell in. Broke the steel in the 6.5 injector pump, so we got another one.
You want to have a long, you'll be ready to walk you for a walk. Come on.
I think that's going to become part of my keychain. See, it's got a perfect loop in it. Yeah, perfect loop. Keychain.
No, a little over 2 hours. Like 2 hours and 20 minutes. Ding dong, watching it.
Let's see.
First night it gets below 0, I'll borrow it.
Alright.
Stay right in.
Hey, so keep the stove going.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna go get some
I
rest.
think I'm going to reuse that head gasket too. It's brand new. The hell.
Washing in the morning.
But
Yes, I gotta go get her.
You can probably get some white for this.
Prescription
Scrap
and
a
stuff.
brand new injector.
Yeah,
Huh?
Probably scrap all the parts we had.
She said like special.
Yeah, I'd probably take it to Atkinson's to get like 2 pennies for it.
Yeah, really. That'd be towards new piston.
I'll just scrap the piston. Probably get $50 for it.
To wear me out.
Not really, but oh well. Okay. That's it for now.